Hi everyone, this is Ed from Gay Productions and welcome back with this new video. No one these days are using the normal screen protector. As you know, I'm a fan of this company that they are biggest seller on AliExpress, Baseus, if I just pronounce it correctly. These screen protectors is different from what you normal buy. You are normally buying just a separate screen protector that you put, and you are facing a problem with the dust and with the air between the screen protector and also your devices. These are the steps how to install this of course screen protector on your device for no more dust and no more air between the screen protector and also your device. As you see here, here's the screen protector with a special device. Normally you buy just like this screen protector and try to put it. Sometimes it's success, sometimes it's not. I have this also all the time. Sometimes it's successfully installed, sometimes not. Unfortunately, I'm not gonna install it right now because I already have one, but I will go through the video that they have, and I will also try to slow the video that they have so you can see it correctly. Of course, very easy, very nice to do, and when you finish just like that, you have a nice screen protector without any dust and any air. So let me know what do you think about this screen protector, and if you already buy it, and how was your experience with it. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.